welcome to my Jo's Kitchen. Name one famous Indonesian dish. Yes, that's rendang. But today, instead of cooking just normal beef rendang, I'm going to cook beef ribs rendang. It's going to be full on flavor as we're cooking the bone with it. Can't wait. Prepare dry chilies. Cut it using scissors. Take the seeds out for medium level of spiciness. Pour hot water to soften the dry chili. Grind the cardamom first to get finer texture. Cut ginger and galangal shorts and against the grain of the fiber to get fine texture of the paste. Add 40 grams garlic, 80 grams shallots. Remove the softened dry chili from water. Now blend all those ingredients together. When you're blending paste, only add oil and no water to intensify the flavor of the paste. Add 150 ml oil. Blend it until it becomes very fine paste. Cook the paste. One and a half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt and may add more later to suit your taste. Cook it with medium fire while keep stirring to avoid burnt paste. You will then see the oil will gradually separate. The paste has changed darker color. Now the curry paste has been cooked. Prepare lemongrass. Cook rendang using a casserole pot. Add bay leaves, lemongrass. I like to add kaffir lime leaves to make the flavor more sharp. Add 1 cup of coconut milk. Add water to submerge the meat as beef ribs takes longer to cook to get it tender. Cook for about 3 hours or more on low fire until tender. Every hour, flip the meat onto the other side to make sure tender both sides. Add more water if necessary. After 3 hours, check the tenderness. After you think it's tender enough, next is to get the sauce thickened. You will scoop some of the oil on the surface. Turn the fire to medium and open the lid to reduce liquid and monitor to a level of thickness you like for the sauce. And if it gets too dry, just add a bit of water. Nothing beats fresh bumbu paste. For those of you who like the meat to be softer and full of the bone, cook it further for 30 to 40 minutes more. But for my personal preference, I like it still just slightly hard, but it's soft enough to chew, and you still get that meaty texture. Couple of other tips I will share with you. Number one, you can make the paste further advanced and keep it in the fridge for about a week or up to 6 months in the freezer. Number two, rendang is best eaten the next day as the flavor will develop more overnight in the fridge. Number three, when you reheat on the stove or in the microwave and you find the sauce a bit too thick, just add a bit more water while you're reheating it. Number four, don't forget to subscribe and press that subscribe button to see more recipes. Thank you for watching. Mari makan!